Hello, food lovers and health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks on healthy living. Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential to many of us: how to eat healthily without breaking the bank. That's right, we're unveiling the secrets of affordable healthy eating. So let's get started on affordable healthy eating, top secrets for budget-friendly nutrition. Tip 1. Plan your meals. Our first secret is planning. Plan your meals for the week and create a grocery list accordingly. This will not only save you money but also time, and it can help you avoid unhealthy impulse buys. Tip 2. Prioritize whole foods. Next, prioritize whole foods. Processed foods might seem cheaper, but they're often less filling and nutritious. On the other hand, whole grains, fresh fruits, and veggies provide better nutrition and keep you full longer. Tip 3. Buy in bulk. Remember to buy in bulk. Grains, legumes, and frozen fruits and vegetables are often cheaper in larger quantities and can be stored for a long time. Tip 4. Buy seasonal produce. Another secret is to buy seasonal produce. Fruits and vegetables that are in season are often less expensive and at their peak in flavor and nutrition. Tip 5. Don't overlook leftovers. Finally, don't overlook leftovers. Try to find creative ways to incorporate leftovers into new meals. This reduces food waste and saves money. Those are just a few secrets for affordable healthy eating. Remember, eating healthily doesn't have to be expensive. With a little planning and creativity, you can enjoy nutritious meals without straining your budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy and stay budget friendly.